Algorand value expectation outline. The negative cost expectation for Algorand, Algo, in 2025 certainly truly is $0.3280, with a sort of truly likely kind of high of $0.4035 in a really significant manner, which especially is very huge. Algorand cost estimate recommends a chance of Algo exchanging between $2.26 to $2.64 in 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Experts project a bullish pattern for Algorand in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $114.76 mark in a genuinely sort of significant manner. Algorand especially explicitly is as of now valued at $0.1999 on the lookout, which generally is genuinely critical, which basically is genuinely huge. Long-haul examination recommends that Algorand cost might actually flood to $142.88 by 2050, with an especially kind of expected range somewhere in the range of $136.03 and $153.92 in an every practical sense, by and large huge way, which is very critical. Starting around 09 December 2023, Algorand sort of explicitly is exchanging at $0.1999 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.41% in sort of fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, showing how Algorand value expectation rundown. The negative cost forecast for Algorand, Algo, in 2025 sort of especially is $0.3280. With a really likely essentially high of $0.4035 in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Algo fundamentally has a very all-out market cap of $1,600,582,220, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $219,215,668, decently for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. This certainly makes Algorand, Algo, in every practical sense, positioning at 42 in the digital currency market, so experts project a bullish pattern for Algorand in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $114.76 mark in an all things considered significant way, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you in a real sense in every way that really matters are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally in a real sense is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2040, what will Algorand quite be entirely worth in 2040, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking in a kind of large manner. Is Algorand a very sort of wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2040, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking, really in spite of prevalent thinking? Will Algo cost all things considered outperform its untouched high, which basically especially is genuinely critical? These for the most part especially are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which sort of truly shows that in the event that you truly sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly basically is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2040, what will Algorand generally in every practical sense be especially commonly worth in 2040? Which especially sort of is genuinely critical, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2040, as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Algo value sort of fundamentally is supposed to basically in a real sense cross an especially truly normal value level of $0.1616. The normal especially kind of least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to for the most part especially be $0.1462, by and large essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. Besides, Algo can commonly sort of arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $0.1662, showing how Algo certainly has a very fundamentally all-out market cap of $1,600,582,220, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $219,215,668, or so they essentially thought in an unpretentious manner. Algorand, Algo, value conjecture December 2023. The Algorand, Algo, cost for December 2023 may really arrive at a decently extremely least worth of $0.1462, while the very of greatest estimated cost certainly is around $0.1662 in an every practical sense, kind of significant way incredibly. The reasonably really normal cost for Algo entirely is for the most part truly anticipated to by and large reach $0.1616 in December 2023, which fundamentally in a real sense is very critical, which is very huge. Algorand by and large certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost fundamentally basically has shown a genuinely decent increment of 18.6% in the extremely very most recent 24 hours. Kind of genuinely further appearance how Algorand value expectation rundown. The negative cost forecast for Algorand, Algo, in 2025 generally is $0.3280, with an in every way that really matters, kind of likely sort of most certainly high of $0.4035, which truly is very critical, or so they generally thought. From most recent 7 days the Algo sort of in every practical sense was in kind of genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 38.18%, exhibiting that these certainly essentially are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which in every practical sense especially shows that on the off chance that you for the most part truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2040, what will Algorand most certainly truly be somewhat all things considered worth in 2040 in a by and large genuinely significant manner. Algorand generally in every practical sense has shown extremely kind of truly impressive quite potential recently, and this could be most certainly in every practical sense great chance to explicitly dive right in and truly put resources into a genuinely significant way. Algorand value figure 2040 facts. What will fundamentally sort of be Algorand decently for the most part worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. The Algo cost by and large essentially is gauged to in a real sense for the most part arrive at a kind of really greatest degree of $0.1662, with fundamentally by and large least cost of $0.1462 toward the finish of 2040, exhibiting that Algo by and large has an extremely all-out market cap of $1,600,582,220, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $219,215,668, which truly is very huge. Which generally is very critical. Does Algorand in a real sense basically have a future in an essentially huge manner, or so they by and large thought? As far as cost, Algorand generally truly has an extraordinary truly in every practical sense potential to truly arrive at new levels, exhibiting that Algorand essentially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost in a real sense sort of has shown an actually certainly great increment of 18.6% in the sort of most recent 24 hours. Sort of additional appearance how Algorand value expectation outline the negative cost expectation for Algorand, Algo, in 2025, by and large especially is $0.3280, with a very possible for the most part beautiful high of $0.4035 in a truly quite enormous manner, in a sort of huge manner. It in every practical sense essentially is estimate that Algo will increment in esteem